Again, imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing exactly where your next deals are coming from. If that's not your current business, if you don't know exactly where your business is coming from, that is what we want to do for you. But we don't stop there. This is just the first step in creating cash flow so you can be more intentional about building your business that you want and how you want your business to look. So milestone number 2 is building your brand. We're going to come in, we're going to align your business to your higher purpose, what it is that really excites you, who are your favorite people to kind of work with. Sometimes it might be the Hispanic community, it might be the veteran community, it might be first-time home buyers. It might be single moms. There might be something you're more passionate about. Let's help you design your brand to be around exactly what your business that you want to do, the kind of people you want to work with every day. Because I believe that when you're doing business that you really love and you really genuinely love doing, I'll give you an example. I mentioned Andrew Gadosh earlier. He's in Dayton, Ohio. And in Dayton, Ohio, he has 90% market share of all lakefront property on Lake Lockingham. Okay. He owns it, shows houses by boat. He's got one of those jet powered things. You know, he's out there on the weekends and everything. He loves boats. He's a boater. I'm a boater too. So I get it. But he built a business around what he loves to do. Right. So let's figure out what that is for you. We're going to go through this entire process of helping you create your brand, all your brand elements, crafting your bios, everything you put on all your social media. We're going to do that. Holly's an expert at this, and she's going to be the one that helps you. She's the one on my team that helps you with that. And here's how it works. We take you through the process to help you define your ideal client, your brand story, create your brand elements, bios and graphics for all social profiles. We go through a little process here just to help you understand, like, where is your target market? Where do you want to be? We don't want to just sell houses and be like all over DFW. You know how long it takes to get all across DFW? There's a market that you want to serve, and we want to make you the go-to agent in that market. So we're going to help you with that process. We'll create all the bios for all of your social media, all of your brand elements. So everything looks the same. When they see your YouTube, when they see your Instagram, when they see your marketing, when they see your postcards, your brand is very clearly distinctively you. And so we're going to help you with all of that, executing all of these pieces that we have that we're going to have done for you as well.